Mix ingredients for a variety of recipes, from slowly stirring and chunky ingredients, like nuts or chocolate chips, at speed 1 to whipping egg whites or heavy cream at speed 5. Cord length, 36 inches. 60 watts. 60 Hz. The KitchenAid KHM512IC 5-speed hand mixer is the perfect go-to for nearly all of your mixing needs. 5 speeds and 2 stainless steel turbo beater accessories provide you with the power and control to mix up your favorite cookie dough, mashed potatoes and so much more. Top reviews from the United States. This makes pie. My old mixer crapped out halfway through making a pie. This one is great. I thought about getting the 9-speed, but this is good enough. Recipe to follow, my creation. Soften cream cheese, whisk Kool-Aid powder and sugar, add to cream cheese, mix well, add Cool Whip and mix well. Place into 2 crusts and chill for 2 hours unless you can't wait. Most of you will not wait the 2 hours. I set cream cheese unwrapped in a bowl for 2 hours, in microwave off so cats do not eat them, and move Cool Whip from freezer to fridge for the same 2 hours. When I am ready to add Cool Whip, I float the tubs in hot water for 15 seconds to easily remove. Add Cool Whip after you mix cream cheese, sugar and Kool-Aid to avoid lumps. Remove pie crust labels and flip over to cover pies with dome cover, for those who can wait 2 hours. Others, fill pie crusts and go eat the whole pie, but give the other to your significant other. Makes 2 large pies. Kool-Aid pie, try different flavors and garnishments. Example, slice strawberry and dip in red sugar and place around perimeter for strawberry Kool-Aid flavor.